Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's going to make your nerves tingle, literally. We're talking about vitamins for nerve damage. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest health hacks. Have you ever felt that annoying tingling in your hands or feet? Or maybe you've experienced numbness or even pain that you just can't explain? Well, you're not alone. According to the World Health Organization, millions of people globally are affected by peripheral neuropathies, a fancy term for nerve damage. Now, did you know that a staggering 20 million people in the United States alone experience some form of peripheral neuropathy? That's almost as many people as there are in the entire state of Florida. So, what if I told you there are vitamins scientifically proven to help improve or even prevent nerve damage? Recent research, including a study published in the Journal of Neurology, shows that specific vitamins play a huge role in nerve health. We're talking about life-changing impacts for people who suffer from nerve-related issues. And get this, doctors are even starting to prescribe vitamin supplements as part of treatment plans for neuropathy. Yes, you heard it right, vitamins as medicine. Now, what are these magical vitamins? Could something as simple as tweaking your diet keep those tingling sensations at bay? Or better yet, can it roll back the damage that's already been done? Are you curious to find out which vitamin you can get from almonds that can provide a whopping 37% of your daily need for nerve protection? Or what about the superfood that's not only good for your Instagram, but also packs a punch for your nerves? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep, and I guarantee you won't want to miss this. Not only will we reveal the top vitamins for nerve health, but we'll also give you the inside scoop on how to easily include them in your diet. Ready to take control of your nerve health? Then keep watching, because we're getting started right now. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Alright, let's check out the list of vitamins that help prevent nerve damage, starting with number 1, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is a crucial element for the functioning of the nervous system. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to peripheral neuropathy, and understanding how this happens requires diving into the biochemistry a bit. Thiamine is essential for a variety of enzymatic reactions in the body, particularly in the metabolism of glucose. Thiamine acts as a cofactor for enzymes like pyruvate dehydrogenase and alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. These enzymes play a key role in the Krebs cycle, which generates energy within cells. When you don't have enough thiamine, these enzymes don't function properly. Consequently, you get a buildup of metabolites like pyruvate and alpha-ketoglutarate. This can interfere with neuronal function and lead to nerve damage. Also, thiamine is necessary for the synthesis of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of myelin sheaths that coat and protect nerve cells. A lack of thiamine can result in degradation of these myelin sheaths, further exacerbating the symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Recent studies, like one published in Annals of the New York Academy of Sciences journal in 2021, have found that thiamine replacement therapy can reverse some of the nerve damage caused by its deficiency. It's not a magic bullet, but it shows just how crucial thiamine is for nerve health. Now, let's see the list of foods rich in thiamine. To ensure you're getting enough thiamine, consider incorporating these foods into your diet. Don't underestimate the power of a balanced diet. These foods can be your allies in maintaining a healthy nervous system and staving off peripheral neuropathy. Next, number 2, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is crucial for various cellular processes, including amino acid metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. The issue with B6 and peripheral neuropathy is a bit of a Goldilocks situation. Too little is problematic, but so is too much. When you don't get enough B6, you can experience symptoms like numbness and tingling in the extremities. This deficiency can lead to poor nerve communication, as B6 is essential in creating neurotransmitters that facilitate nerve signals. On the flip side, excess B6, often from oversupplementation, can also lead to peripheral neuropathy. In such cases, high levels of B6 can cause nerve damage, resulting in symptoms like burning, pain, or tingling. Studies have shown that chronic exposure to high levels of B6 can cause irreversible nerve damage. For example, a study published in Toxicology and Applied Pharmacology found that neuropathy due to B6 toxicity might be related to its effects on neuron excitability. When it comes to getting the right amount of B6, food is generally your best bet. Here are some top foods rich in vitamin B6, along with their approximate B6 content per serving. Remember, the recommended daily allowance for adult men and women varies but is generally around 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams per day. Sticking to these food sources can help you meet your needs without going overboard. So, if you're looking to avoid peripheral neuropathy, maintaining a balanced level of vitamin B6 is crucial. The key takeaway here: too much of a good thing can indeed be harmful. Next, number 3, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is crucial for the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers. Myelin ensures fast and efficient signal transmission between nerve cells. When you're low on B12, myelin production can stall or get compromised. Without enough myelin, your nerves can't function properly, which is when you start to experience symptoms like numbness, tingling, or even pain in your extremities, typical signs of peripheral neuropathy. Research has shown that lack of vitamin B12 can result in the buildup of a compound known as homocysteine. Elevated homocysteine levels have been linked to endothelial dysfunction and oxidative stress, which can further damage peripheral nerves. In terms of scientific evidence, a study in the Journal of Neurological Sciences highlighted that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can indeed cause the demyelination of nerves. Another research published in Child Neurology Open indicates that restoring vitamin B12 levels can reverse some of the neuropathic symptoms, underscoring its importance in nerve health. Now let's talk food, shall we? Here's where you can get your vitamin B12. Consult your healthcare provider to find the best way to manage vitamin B12 levels if you're concerned about peripheral neuropathy. It's not just about food. Some people require supplements or even injections to keep their levels in check. So, vitamin B12 is not just another nutrient. It's a cornerstone for your nerve health. Don't overlook it, especially if you're experiencing symptoms that might point to a peripheral neuropathy issue. Next, number 4, vitamin E. Vitamin E isn't just an antioxidant superstar, it's a guardian for our nerves too. When you have a deficiency in vitamin E, your nerve cells can suffer. Why? Because vitamin E primarily acts as a protector against oxidative damage in our cells, especially in our neurons. Oxidative damage occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and our body's ability to counteract their harmful effects. These free radicals can damage our nerve's protective shield, known as the myelin sheath. Imagine the myelin sheath as the insulation around electrical wires. If this insulation gets damaged, electrical signals can't travel efficiently, leading to disruptions in communication, and yes, that can manifest as peripheral neuropathy. Recent research underscores vitamin E's importance in nerve health. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association highlighted that patients with a certain type of ataxia, a neurological condition related to vitamin E deficiency, showed symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. The nerve damage in these patients was believed to be a direct consequence of oxidative stress due to a lack of vitamin E. Now let's see the list of top foods rich in vitamin E. Alright, if you're now thinking, where can I get my dose of vitamin E? I've got you covered. Here are some of the top foods packed with vitamin E. Sunflower seeds, just a small handful, about 28 grams, can provide you with nearly 33% of your daily recommended intake. Almonds. A similar serving size can give you a hopping 37% of your daily need. Spinach. 1 cup of boiled spinach provides around 20% of the daily dose. Avocado. Half an avocado brings about 14% of the recommended daily intake. Broccoli. 1 cup of boiled broccoli can provide about 10% of your daily need. Remember, when you nourish your body with these foods, you're not just getting vitamin E, but a host of other nutrients too. Think of it as a bonus. While vitamin E is famed for its antioxidant properties, its role in protecting our nerves is equally crucial. It's like an unsung hero working behind the scenes. And the good news? Getting your daily dose is as easy as munching on some almonds or adding avocado to your salad. So, here's to nerve health and delicious ways to support it. Alright folks, we've reached the end of this nerve tingling journey. If you found this video helpful, and let's face it, if you've ever experienced even a hint of tingling or numbness, you'll want to remember these tips. So do me a favor, smash that like button. Let's see if we can get this video to 1,000 likes for the sake of healthier nerves everywhere. And hey, sharing is caring, right? If you know someone who could benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them. Together, let's make nerve damage a thing of the past. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know which vitamin you're most excited to incorporate into your diet. Is it the almighty almond, or are you team avocado? Last but not least, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we got coming up next. We're diving into more topics that your body and mind will thank you for. So, until next time, take good care of those nerves, and we'll see you in the next video.